on my trampoline at least once a day. Sometimes I skip a day because, well, things get in the way and I have other workouts that I want to do besides trampolining, but I love trampolining. It helps with fat burning, let me tell you, with your metabolism, and it makes you stronger. Yeah, and you sweat a lot. I swear, I take a deep breath, Hevin, a deep breath. I often wonder what happens, what's going on with the time during the day? What happens to that time that flies? It goes by so fast, it just flies right by me. I mean, what is it that I'm not doing? I wish I could add more time, more hours to my day. You know, it could be that, now that I think about it, it could be because I'm waking up later than normal. But seriously, I feel like I can never catch a break. Every time I want to do something, it's like already 3 or 4 o'clock and it's too late to do. Oh my gosh. It's okay. This is a venting moment. Thank you for listening to me. I know I'm not the only one. Can we add more hours to our day, please? I call this arms by Billy. Right, Billy?
Absolutely. All the way, get that full extension. I want to see you can the shoulder and the bicep separation. And get the backs of the arms. Try to do like 3 more.
Oh, God.
1 more, all the way down. Extend. Great.
Well, hot mess alert. I've been packing all day, trying to figure out what to take to San Diego. And I cleaned up my makeup drawers finally. There's a lot of makeup that I need to get rid of. But hey, at this point, it is what it is. And now this closet is another story. So I have been organizing, changing things around, moving things around. I've been very selective of what's going to San Diego and what's not. I'm still unsure. There's a couple of boxes that are going. There are more shoes that are going. There's, I don't know. This is right here is a hot mess. But I'm getting there, you guys. I am getting there. Pretty soon I'll be in San Diego. Looking forward to it. And that is that. Back to organizing and figuring out what to take. Okay, I keep on saying last song, last song. This is the last song. There's hair all over the place. My hair is so knotted. So knotted. Look at this. Oh my gosh. My neck. I wonder why. Oh, good. Ah, stretch. Ah. Done, 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 done. The end. This is what I call the I don't have time to mess around with my hair today. Look. Yeah, and I'm so full. I am totally so full. I have to unplug a few things here in my studio. I may be sleeping with wet hair because I'm too lazy to blow dry it. I've been testing 2 makeup removers. One of them happens to be my favorite. I've been using this for years. It's the Clinique Take the Day Off. Almost empty. And I just started using, actually I've used this for about 4, maybe 4 or 5 times. Makeup remover Melting Balm by Neutrogena. And you know what? I think I like this more than this. This is cheaper than this, so this might be my #1. I've been testing it on half of my face with the Neutrogena Melting Balm and the other half obviously with the Clinique, which I love the Clinique makeup remover balm, but it is expensive and my husband just sneezed, don't mind him. Bless you. Neutrogena, Clinique, both feel really, really nice on the skin. I've been using Clinique for 2-3 years now, maybe longer, and Neutrogena for about 2 weeks. Difference, there's really not much of a difference. Consistency as far as the Clinique is a little bit thicker, but once you apply it on your skin, it melts and it becomes oily like. and then the Neutrogena is slightly, it's not as hard as the Clinique, but both do exactly the same thing. One is not better than the other. Oh, feels so good. By the way, if you haven't heard this before, I'm going to say it. Get rid of all your makeup remover wipes. They're the worst thing you can use on your skin. Start using a balm, a melting balm, because it's going to be really good for your skin. You're not scrubbing and you're not going to town. It's going to be much more gentler on your skin. What am I going to do with this hair? It's wet. It's too late to blow dry it. I'm too lazy, actually, not too late, but I am too lazy to blow dry my hair, so I might end up sleeping with wet hair, which is very unusual for me. As soon as I'm able to get the hair pin spinners, I believe this is what I just dropped on. Let me get the other one. Love these. They come in this size and longer. I no longer use bobby pins because these are much stronger. They hold your hair a lot better than regular bobby pins, and my hair is super wet. Super duper uber wet. I am not going to blow dry my hair. I will not.